If your Gmail looks a little plain or the text just feels too small or hard to read, this video is going to fix that. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your Gmail font size, font style, and text color so your emails look cleaner, more personal, and easier to read. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click on it. A drop-down will appear with a few quick options. From here, select See All Settings. This opens a full settings page with lots of options, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one section today. Make sure you're under the General tab. It should be the very first one at the top. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Default Text Style. This is where you can change how your Gmail messages look by default. Let's start with font style. You'll see your current font name right there, usually something like sans serif. Click on that name and you'll get a list of different fonts to choose from. Browse through them and pick one that matches your taste, maybe something modern and clean, or something classic and formal. Next, right beside it, you'll notice an icon showing two T's of different sizes. That's your font size selector. Click it and choose how big or small you want your text to be. Try a few options until you find one that feels just right, comfortable for both writing and reading. Now, to add a little personality, let's change the font color. Look for the icon with an A and a color bar underneath it. Click it and you'll see a full color palette appear. Pick any color that fits your vibe, maybe something bold and creative or simple and easy on the eyes. Once you're happy with your new font style, size, and color, there's one last but very important step. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. If you skip this, none of your updates will stick, so make sure to hit that button. And that's it. You've just customized your Gmail look. Now every email you compose will use your preferred style automatically. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in how your emails feel and look. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and share this with someone who spends half their day in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.